आपको सीक्रेट गेम्स करना था
हाँ जी
और मिला नहीं, तो फाइनली नेटफ्लिक्स पे आके आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
फाइनली मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मतलब इससे अच्छी फीलिंग क्या हो सकती है एक वायरफ का
सीक्रेट
शो
गेम्स क्यों नहीं हुआ था बाय द वे?
you know the funny trivia I'll share I did a Sacred Games character goes for a date with Surveen
Yeah, man, you do. Oh my God, yeah.
yeah
I was actually one of
and
the
I was
first
one of the actors and she
conversations.
was there
There are times when filmmakers have told me, they're like, you're so silly and you're so stupid. Anybody in your place would have made besties with all these male co-actors of yours, because everybody is vying for films. So everybody's being pretty, please, pick me, please, kind of vibe. And I'm not saying it's a bad thing. Maybe it is the
It's
way of
not
the
you.
world. It's not. I'm not the best with, how do I say, padding somebody with compliments when it's not feeling organic. And that could... I don't know. People have very, how do I say, like the
Fragile
very
egos.
fragile egos, and this tiptoeing and all. It's too much pressure. I'm not good at it.
In some way or form had the privilege of doing, which is to say no.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think it's so difficult to say no. It is so difficult as a woman, as a human being, as a in relationship, in profession, the hierarchy, pleasing people, it's so difficult to say no because you're always wondering there's going to be some kind of backlash. I've been told, I've been thrashed in my initial years for not being able to network, but that's not me. I can't do it.
That's more exhausting
Yeah,
than
it's
the
more
actual
exhausting
job,
to
yeah.
put up that facade and go and please people and behave like you're their best friend when you're not. Clearly.
yesterday when this launch happened I straight went to my home and I hugged my father for the first time properly this was me planned the hug otherwise जहाँ से हम आते हैं वहाँ पे पिता से थोड़ा दूर रहते हैं so which is not so I went and I hugged him and the moment I hugged him in 2 seconds he was like हाँ ठीक है हो गया but I grabbed him I was like आज कर लेंगे bro
On the woman's calendar, 3, 4, 9, 10 and 11. These are the numbers written. Who's the killer?
What kind of mathematical question is this?
I have no idea
If you go on Reddit, you will see that there is a huge debate about who deserves what. And I think when there is a conversation like that, a team like Netflix actually gives people who deserve to be and to get that position with a show like Mandala Murders. And I want to tell you guys that you guys are very, very deserving. All three outsiders sitting here with elegance, with poise, and with so much talent. So thank you for doing this for Nayan Sense and welcoming all three of you to this episode of Nayan Sense. Thank you guys. वैसे I know that the show has a mystical thriller kind of a vibe. And I think that it talks about a lot of social issues as well in a very subtle way. But before I begin, because I called you guys outsiders, do you think that you guys are at the best phase of your careers today, given the digital revolution around? Because there's so much recognition, visibility, and validation coming in for all three of you from different corners. Anybody?
There's a place for everybody because there's a story for everybody and there is an opportunity for everybody. Right? So I feel the digital space has done wonders not just for actors, but for makers, for writers, for technicians.
Absolutely.
There's so much work and there's so much talent. So I think there couldn't have been a better phase in the Indian industry. That's what we're talking about. There couldn't have been a better phase in the Indian industry as far as that is concerned. And also I definitely would like to add as to how industries, whether it's the Tamil, the Telugu, the Malayalam and the Hindi film industry are kind of becoming a pan-India face.
Absolutely.
And so,
Yes, so
so I think if you look at it, there's a lot of expansion and there's a lot of inclusion that's happening. So that I think that's working beautifully right now.
Do you feel more included today?
Absolutely. I think what has changed according to me is also that the deserving is getting their due.
Yeah.
So that for me is, oh my God, so long waited. For anybody, I'm saying, there have been a lot of amazing talent in the industry, but didn't get enough opportunities to get their dues. But I think we all are currently in that phase where there is recognition, there is admiration, there is no discrimination for, and I say that, outsider, insider, nepotism, no it's all the same. Eventually you could, I've always said, eventually you could have an inroad, but then if you're not going to be able to prove yourself, then well, we've seen it in the past. We've seen a lot of that happen in the past. So I think it's kudos to the industry as a whole, because they've become more welcoming, and I think they're giving people what they deserve and what is due. So I think.
What
it's
about
nice.
you?
She summed it out really well. She summed it up pretty well. But I feel it's great. We are getting girls, especially actresses, females. We are getting meatier parts. There's a little more. They're more fleshed out, because you've seen me. I've been part of big films, and as much as I love that, and I feel those were blessing for me to be able to have a name for myself. But honestly, if you ask me, the dream is to merge the two. The substantial, fleshed out, meaty parts in a commercial
Yeah.
film. But at this point in my life, the platform doesn't matter as long as you can put it out there for a wider audience to.
Yeah, it's visibility.
Yeah, it's visibility. All you want is an audience pull, and I feel OTT does that tremendously well. It has broadened the horizons, and I'm loving working. Like I've had a great time working for the series, and I love working for big commercial films. Bring it all on for me.
But it does give you a high, right? When I watched Raid 2. Raid 2 is such a good film, powerful film. But again, what you do in Mandala Murders,
Yes.
they're very different, distinct. I'm not going to put down anything, but
Yes.
you get to do so much more,
Yeah.
There's this beautiful interview that Sharon Stone actually gave at the Red Sea Festival. She said, when I did Basic Instinct with Michael Douglas, I was relatively new and I was working with a superstar, and I was paid $500,000. She said 30 years later, I'm doing a film with an actor, male actor, half my age. I'm still being paid $500,000.
Oh no.
So things, certain way it's not changing for women, but when you see people becoming more inclusive, giving people the parts that you guys deserve, do you see that there is a change, or do you still feel that we have a long, long way to go, especially when it comes to the gender politics?
No, I definitely feel what you're saying, Mandala, when you're pointing it out. Of course, the part is more layered, but we
Yeah.
also have the bandwidth to do that, because we have 8-episode
Yeah.
run time, vis-a-vis a 2 to 3 hours where everything has to be more concise and compact.
Yeah.
So the arc can be developed better, it can be more fleshed out, there could be more layers for the audience to witness with each episode. So I feel like there are more emotional complexities and layers to a character that you can explore.
Yeah.
And that is the beauty of giving a good performance, for people to feel that. But for them to evoke that emotion in people, you need that build-up time, which, of course, OTT is also making wonderful. It has opened up the avenue for so many actors who
Yeah.
weren't getting the chance in theatricals. But having said that, my love for cinema has not gone
Changed,
anywhere.
yeah.
That's not changed.
But I think even cinema is undergoing that change today, where I
Yes.
think cinema is giving opportunities to the people who deserve it. Because आज Reddit पे सच में जहाँ पे एक conversation होता है थोड़ा negative, but there is also conversation and chatter about actors like you guys who deserve more, and they will come and say, इसको देना चाहिए. And I'm sure you must have read that, because everybody loves you there. Everybody you have a different fan following. I think all of you come from different spaces. To fit in to a world like this could be difficult in the beginning, much like you guys on the show. I don't know how much of it is true, how much of it is not true, but you guys are all trying to fit in Charandaspur, and I don't know if you guys are fitting in, not fitting in. So when you guys came from different places, none of you are from Mumbai, neither am I. What were the most difficult times that you guys had to go brave through? I'll start with you. You came from Sitapur, if I'm not.
Yeah, I'm from Sitapur, so I've seen that part, and मैं लगता हूँ स्मॉल टाउन का लड़का, और मुझे अच्छा लगता है वो. मेरे लिए टफ पार्ट था विक्रम जैसा दिखना, जो फिजिकल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन था, which गोपी सर wanted. He wanted this guy to look like a police officer.
Yeah.
अदायकी वो बोलते थे कि एक्टिंग कर लेते हो तुम, अदायकी चाहिए. तो मेरे लिए वो टफ पार्ट था, सबसे ज़्यादा टफ पार्ट, कि मुझे अदायकी नहीं पता थी कैसे वो करना है, तो उसमें मुझे काफ़ी टाइम लग गया. बट वंस आई गॉट इट, देन इट वाज फन.
You know, a lot of people, I have read this interview of yours जहाँ पे आपने बोला है कि आपको Sacred Games करना था
हाँ जी
और मिला नहीं. तो फाइनली नेटफ्लिक्स पे आके आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
फाइनली मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मतलब इससे अच्छी फीलिंग क्या हो सकती है एक वायरएफ का
Sacred
शो
Games क्यों नहीं हुआ था by the way?
नहीं सेक्रेट गेम्स में मैंने कुछ नहीं किया था
अच्छा.
ना मैंने ऑडिशन दिया था
Something like that was on your
yeah
wish
like I
He
saw that
wanted
show
to be a part of something like this. He was really
and I
fun.
saw it and I'm like this is so much like it was so intense and the writing and everything was so good I wanted to be a part of Secret Game but I was doing Good Luck which
Yes.
was also very good but I told this in an interview that you know एक बार मुझे and you know the funny trivia I'll share I did a Sacred Games character goes for a date with Surveen.
Yeah,
Yes.
and did you, oh my god, yeah.
Yeah.
I was actually one of
and
my
I was
first
one of the actors and
conversations.
she was there. And,
Yeah, we-
Actually, you were there.
Yeah, I
no,
was-
so no. So basically, we were doing some kind of a campaign, right?
Yeah, it's for season 2.
Season 2, we were doing some sort of a campaign, and they'd created like this whole concept about me coming in and like, hey, we're going out on a date.
Yeah.
And you know, we're chit chatting and all that, and he was the guy playing opposite.
Yeah, the date.
Yeah,
I was the date.
Oh, cool.
Wow, look at the.
Yeah, look
I
at
told her, I
how
was
you-
like,
Now I
look
feel
at
like the
worlds come
outsider.
together, right?
Again, my God, why me?
How worlds come together, just like in Mandala.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
like Mandala, I
Just
think
like
everything is
Mandala.
predestined. Do you agree with destiny? Do you think that you have the power to change destiny? Which side are you on? Because I know that's a huge part of.
I believe in destiny, but I also believe in free will. Like if you know, like yes, there is something known as destiny. You're destined for certain things, but you also have the free will to change the course
Yeah,
of your own doings and your
Yeah.
life. Where it's, you know, so it's a little bit of both for me.
I believe in karma. A lot, heavily.
Yeah.
I believe in karma, and I think what we call predestined, I think it's our karmic consequences of the karma created in the past, and I think today's karmic consequences will be the future. So that's the predestined and the destined. for
Yeah.
me.
I believe in karma too, a lot. And I think.
What goes around comes around.
Yeah, what goes
तो
around
फिर
comes
anger issues
around.
का क्या करते हो?
I don't have any.
It'll actually
You have
become-
anger issues?
No,
I don't.
we're joking. We're pulling his
Like
leg.
they're just
But we're
pulling my
just
leg for
irritating
no
him and how?
reason and giving me a
We're trying
tag
to
of like this
rile
guy has
him up.
anger issues. No, I don't.
Anger issues
He'll
है
actually
कि
start
नहीं है
crying, I
फिर?
feel. Okay. Sorry. Yes,
No,
he
go
does
for
have
it.
anger issues.
He does
I
have.
take my word back.
Yeah. Behind this
Okay,
smile, no, there is so much anger.
You see his eyes? See the
No,
snowbird?
he doesn't
See
have
the
anger issues.
snowbird?
Yes, I didn't sleep that last night.
Those are all excuses.
I'll get a
I
whack
have to
here.
hide them.
I'll be on your side for the timing because this will give me good promo shots. But I have to come and ask you this, that you know, you have a very interesting relationship with your father, right, on the show, and played by a wonderful actor. I love him. I think he usually we see him in comedy roles, but it's going to be an amazing part because this can't be comedy. There has to be something more than that. In real life, you have a very interesting dynamic with your own father, which also I've read. Today, with your success, how has that dynamic changed? Do you think that has changed?
No, I mean, no, yeah. Yesterday, when this launch happened, I straight went to my home and I hugged my father for the first time properly. This was me planned the hug. Otherwise, जहाँ से हम आते हैं वहाँ पे पिता से थोड़ा दूर रहते हैं. So, which is not. So I went and I hugged him, and the moment I hugged him, in 2 seconds he was like, हाँ ठीक है हो गया. But I grabbed him. I was like, आज कर लेने दो, because मेरे लिए बहुत overwhelming था कल की रात. So I just hugged him, and maybe शर्म आ रही थी मुझे, but I was like, let me just do it. And yeah, it was beautiful.
Yeah.
So sweet.
Yeah. The beauty of this show will be in how Gopi has possibly written the characters, right? There is a bit of masculinity in all the women, and there is a bit of femininity which is celebrated in all the men, like
Wow,
especially.
you put it so beautifully.
But it is the truth, right? Like I see you getting vulnerable in positions, right? You trying to navigate being a woman in a man's world, being a cop, being a politician. These are usually and predominantly considered men's professions, and then we have a cop who actually doesn't have a problem like breaking down or showing their vulnerable side, which ideally is going against the tide, you know. And Gopi has done that beautifully. I want to ask you, in life, Like how many times have you been told कि कंडीशनिंग होती है ना हमारी कि नहीं ये राइट है, ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, ये करना नहीं चाहिए, बचपन से सुनते आते हैं, और वो प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में भी बहुत ज़्यादा सुनना पड़ता है. When was that time when you were told this and when you said कि no, मुझे नहीं सुनना, मुझे अपनी करनी है, कोई भी?
Every day. I think I come from a very artistic family, and because of art in my family, my grandfather was a very good painter, and my grandmother and everybody is an artist in my home. So हमारे घर पे art इतनी होती थी कि वो vulnerability और ये सारी energies हम लोग express कर लेते हैं. मैं बहुत छोटा था, so मेरे grandfather, मेरी grandmother, I was just seeing art and they were expressing everything. So I come from a very different guy. भैंस तो थी but साथ में art बहुत सारी थी, तो कभी एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए रोकना नहीं पड़ा खुद को. एंड जब मैं बॉम्बे भी आया, देन आई वाज लाइक आई विल डू व्हाट आई फील लाइक डूइंग इट. इफ आई वांट टू क्राई, आई विल क्राई. इफ आई वांट टू शेयर समथिंग, आई विल शेयर. आई विल नॉट शाई अवे ऑफ आस्किंग, ओ दिस इज अ वेरी स्टूपिड क्वेश्चन, बट इफ आई डोंट नो, आई विल आस्क.
Good.
सो आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन लाइक दैट. आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, लेट देम जज मी, और एटलीस्ट आई गेट द आंसर. सो मेरे लिए लाइफ टाइम के लिए वो एक आंसर मुझे पता होगा कि इसका मतलब क्या होता है. एंड इट हेल्प्स.
बट लास्ट अभी ऐसा हुआ है जहाँ पे आपको बोला गया प्रोफेशनली स्पेशली कि नहीं ये ऐसे नहीं करते, लाइक यू नो एज अ मैन और एज एन एक्टर यू कांट डू दिस, और एज एन आर्टिस्ट यू शुडंट बी डूइंग दिस विल बी डेट्रीमेंटल टू योर करियर, विच पॉसिबली इज नॉट द केस. लाइक यू बीन टोल्ड, यू बीन फेड दैट यू शुडंट डू दिस. ऐसा कुछ हुआ है?
I think it's, you know, I'm reserved as a human being, as a person, initially especially, and I just, I do my job and I go back to my van, or I do my own thing, and I'm not really very chit-chatty on
You're an
set.
ambivert.
Am
You
I?
are chit-chatty.
Or am I
with-
introvert? I think I get gregarious once I'm comfortable
So
in the
ambivert.
company. Yeah.
Ambivert.
I mean, it really sometimes takes me time to feel, and especially on set, and I've really realized that all my focus is on, let's see what can I add to it to make it better, or what can. So my brain is clocking that way, and it's not really, hey, let's chit chat and let's talk and do hee ha, unless it's an easy light day. And I think there are times when filmmakers have told me, they're like, you know, you're so silly and you're so stupid. Anybody in your place would have made besties with all these male co-actors of yours, you know, because everybody is vying for films, so everybody's being pretty please, pick me, please, you know, kind of vibe. And I'm not saying it's a bad thing. Maybe it is the
It's
way of
not
the
you.
world. It's not me. And I'm somebody who'll just say it blatantly as is how I feel. I don't know how to sugarcoat things, and I'm bad at it. I can get awkward, I can get silent, or I can just word it without any disrespect. I don't mean to say that I try to disrespect anybody, but I'll speak my mind. And at times, I'm not the best with, how do I say, padding somebody with compliments. When it's not feeling organic, and that could, I don't know, people have very, how do I say, like, you know, the
Fragile
very
egos.
fragile
Fragile
egos, and this tiptoeing and all, it's too much pressure. I'm not good at it, and I don't know if that helps in any way. It doesn't help, but I've not excelled that.
No, but do you think that has cost you a few projects?
I don't know. It's not cost me projects, because I've been blessed with good filmmakers who are very strong-headed and level-headed, and they've done right by the casting. But I do hear that, you know, there are times when they say, but you shouldn't fight with this one, you know, any other actress in your place would have made besties with this one. You're silly, and that's not how, you know, the world here works. And so those conversations have happened. And I'm like, but I can't change my
That's
core, because I will always look fake. And then I'm not me. And then what joy am I getting out of even getting an extra project out of it? You know, it just
I just hope
Can't-
that we veer towards a world
can't be a
where
people pleaser. I'm not.
yeah, somebody's authentic self is valued over
Yeah.
how you want them to
To
be. It is a fight that possibly we all are fighting. I think everybody in the room will also agree that they're also fighting that battle where they have to be a certain way because of social pressure, and it's the worst thing that we can
Yeah.
actually make people do. Coming to you, any kind of, I have had this wonderful chance to do an interview with you where we had spoken about the kind of labels that you had battled, the kind of struggles that you had to finally land projects, right? This is many years ago, and today a lot of people are also speaking about it. I recently saw your interview with Siddharth. It was a beautiful interview. today there are people who are not looking at you just as a medium of beauty, right? They're not coming to you with any weird desires and they're giving you roles. How do you see that shift? But are you still told that you shouldn't be this way or you shouldn't do?
Honestly, I don't know where or when that shift happened, but I think it was the day when I started to realize what I'm worthy of, and the day I started to have a lot of faith in my own craft. And I don't know what that day was. I don't know what that moment was. I don't know what that project was. But I've always seen environment as a reflection, as a mirror of, it's a reflection of what's happening within here, right? So when I'm in self-doubt, I'm going to get that back as a mirror. When I'm secure, I'm going to get that back at me. So I also feel it's something that I learned over time, and maybe also had, maybe in some way or form, had the privilege of doing, which is to say no.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think it's so difficult to say no. It is so difficult. As a woman, as a human being, as a, in relationship, in profession, the hierarchy, pleasing people,
True.
it's so difficult to say no, because you're always wondering there's going to be some kind of backlash
Because other people
I
are not
voiced my opinion,
ready to
because it
hear
makes-
that no.
Yeah,
That's
because
the
it makes-
problem.
I'm telling you,
yeah,
it's all
because
ego.
it makes somebody else uncomfortable. But that can't be my problem. I can't
True.
take it upon myself, right?
True.
Yeah, so if you have a fragile ego, like, Vani said, you deal with that. That can't be my problem. My problem is whether or not I would like to be authentic to my own self, whether I have an opinion on set or no. I've always voiced that, and initial years I was always told not to. Because, you know what, you might end up working. Networking, I've been told, I've been thrashed in my initial years for not being able to network, but that's not me, I can't do it.
That's more exhausting
Yeah,
than
it's
the
more
actual
exhausting
job,
to
yeah.
put up that facade and go and please people and behave like you're their best friend when you're not. Clearly. I mean, I don't mean to direct this to anybody, but really, I mean it. So I'm okay. I'm living beautifully. I'm so grateful. I'm living beautifully in my own bubble. When I'm private that way, so there was a lot of pressure that came to me for social media, and I was like, okay, I tried, but then when you're not being true to yourself, you can't sustain it,
Yeah,
right?
that's true.
You'll end up going back there. So I
That
went
is
back
true.
there, and I was like, okay, I can't do it because that's what get the numbers, and today a lot of roles are
Dependent on-
on those numbers. I can't do it. But
yeah.
I have to say, the makers that I've worked with, the directors, the producers, the production houses that I've worked with, I have to give it to them. Without those social media numbers, and purely based on what they think I have to offer, and the kind of faith and trust that everybody around me has shown me, I feel immensely grateful for
Yeah.
that, for giving me opportunities for the right reasons.
Before we move into the game, because you said something, and I'm telling you that it doesn't happen only in the film industry. I've started on my own, okay, and it's something that I've always wanted to do. I've not taken help, and nobody can come and say that, because I'm really, really running it on my own savings, and I genuinely will say that 10 times,
Bravo, kudos to you.
because
Bravo.
people
Really.
outside need to have that power to start. Thankfully, I had great support from people, friends in the industry, but I have also seen that a lot of people's behavior shifted. Okay, and मेरे को ना कुछ time पहले जब ये questions होते थे, because she said ना that ये networking, when you both are saying this, I have literally asked a friend who works in a particular PR company, and my friend wants to help me, but that PR company is possibly not being able to help me in whatever ways. I've raised it. So my friend apparently had a conversation internally. उन्होंने आके मुझे ये बोला है, बट पता है तू भी थोड़ा इसके तरह करना चालू कर, ये लोग बिना इंटरव्यूज के बिना कुछ के भी नॉर्मली फोन कर लेते हैं गॉसिप करने के लिए. नाउ आई कांट डू इट. उसके लिए अगर मेरे को इंटरव्यूज नहीं मिलने मतलब that
Can I
cannot be
be
the
honest?
parameter na to
You
get an
stand
interview.
out like this. Sooner or later, people will understand the words you're bringing, and there's exclusivity to the way you think.
I hope everybody starts thinking like you.
No, but you know what I
possibly
doubt?
not.
I highly doubt this.
I
that most of the casting is happening in those parties. I highly
Oh,
doubt
that even I know.
right?
I don't know. I'm not part of those parties,
No,
so I
no,
don't know.
I don't know.
It's
I'm
sales
just
or
saying,
not.
I highly doubt that because I feel, you know, the guys that all of us are working with are serious work.
Absolutely.
Right?
A
And,
party can't get you
Yeah.
work.
Unless you're good at
Neither.
networking, because I'll go stand in a corner at a party and be like, okay, I'm
I
done.
don't.
See, the point is, Vani, if I
and I
need to speak to you, I'll speak to you personally. And I would do that, okay? I have a
Absolutely.
personal one-on-one equation with people and I'm very protective of that. But I cannot call randomly कि gossip करते हैं ताकि मुझे interviews मिले. मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. मत दो. चलेगा. जितना मिलता है उसमें कर लेंगे. But now, moving on, you will need the pen and paper because
Okay, grab
अभी अगर आप लोग इतने smart हो,
These aren't sharp.
so then you will not
We
need
need a
it.
pen or we need a pencil?
Will pencil
Pencils
तो
aren't
वो
sharpened, so.
sharpen नहीं है तो you
ऐसे
will
ही
need
दिखाने
a
के लिए लाया ना.
हाँ मुझे नहीं पता
Sorry, just a point.
जूही जी okay so basically
Okay.
it's called Mandala Murders
Name,
and
animal, place, thing.
I wish yeah we could have played that also. Basically solve the murder mystery.
Oh no.
I'm gonna give you clues. You have to tell me who's the killer or whatever the question is. Whoever gets it first
What is
gets.
this pen paper?
So do we have
Gets,
to hide
uh,
an answer or something? Or like,
हाँ you have to hide. Okay
Oh,
जो
I'm in the
quickly
middle
करेगा.
here. Both are people.
ठीक है?
Okay, wait.
चलो
I'll go
चलो. Oh wow, she's competitive. I love it.
अरे यार, okay, चलो.
Okay, the first one.
I'll
Okay.
write it here. One
Okay,
of
then you yeah, go.
I can see.
Now then he can see.
2 hours later.
But I'm not looking at yours, okay?
चलो. A businesswoman was stabbed while on a trip to
So you have to
Canada.
pen this all down.
No, you don't have to write everything. You have to just think of the clues, okay?
A
A businesswoman
was
was stabbed while on a trip to Canada. The suspects are that you will need to write. Suspects are Mason, Mary, M-A-R-I-E, Brian, R-I-E, Brian, Lily, and Patrick. Okay? Okay.
She was stabbed where?
In Canada.
Well,
On her way?
No, not on her way. Matlab she was stabbed while being in Canada. Okay, and these are the suspects. Now, written in blood on the woman's calendar are the numbers 3, 4, 9, 10, and 11. Who is the killer?
written in blood?
On the woman's calendar 3, 4, 9, 10, and 11. These are the numbers written. Who's the killer?
What kind of mathematical question is this?
थोड़ा
I
सा
have no idea.
थोड़ा सा
You get
सोचो
some
समझ में आ
direction,
जाएगा.
थोड़ा-
Written in blood on the woman's calendar are the numbers 3, 4, 9, 10, and 11.
Those are the number of stabs, maybe.
No. Who's the killer? Written, just emphasize on the word blood, calendar, and the numbers.
3, 4, 9, 1, 0, 1.
Who's the killer? 3, 4,
Just
9.
repeat that line again on the blood calendar.
Written in blood on the woman's calendar are the numbers 3, 4, 9, 10, and 11. Who is the killer?
Who's the killer?
Dude, like you've got to. Let's see.
कैलेंडर में क्या होता है?
Dates.
I'm giving. हाँ और?
Month.
Days.
Dates and month and month.
So just think now. You've got it. I've given you a big hint.
Mason, Mary, Brian, Lily, and Patrick.
हाँ. अगर कैलेंडर में मंथ और डेट होता है 3, 4, 9, 10, 11 क्या हो सकता है?
Days. Dates. The dates.
Yeah, think of it a little bit. और क्या होता है
It
डेट
was
के
a guy
अलावा?
who she went out on a date with.
डेट के अलावा और क्या होता है कैलेंडर में?
Month?
Months and dates.
3, 4, 9, 10, 11. I'm giving the answer also इधर.
3, 4, 9.
Listen,
10,
I became an
11.
actor,
मतलब
so I
एक
didn't have to do
Yeah,
this in real
same.
life.
Just
Same.
1 second. 3, 4,
Let me
9,
solve.
10, 11.
Yeah. And then we can just like keep it. I have no idea what she's
Okay, 1 second.
Think
आंसर
hard.
इसका आंसर क्या है?
Give one clue.
Calendar and months are the.
Okay.
What do I have to do? Calculate these things.
Ah. Somebody? No, don't say. Don't say.
Amazing.
Yeah!
How was this? What was this?
Thanks, यार.
Third
34
month is
third.
March.
Yeah.
Fourth
March,
month is April.
April.
9th is September. 10th
October,
is.
November.
Buddy.
Excuse me, इधर कहाँ रख रहे हैं?
Padhai is not over.
जी please लीजिए.
I think I'm having brain fog right now.
Yeah, this is an easy one. You might not need.
मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया. मैंने बोला ये नहीं हो सकता.
Next one, okay?
Okay.
We
We
will
shall
take
score
both of your names, okay? Surveen and Vani
Okay.
1 minute.
are out for a brunch, okay? Surveen is very thirsty and she drinks 5 glasses of the same drink that Vani drinks, okay? 5 times, 5 glasses and she's drinking 1 glass.
So Vani is having 1 glass and I'm
You're having 5, okay? And both of them had poison in it. But Surveen doesn't die and Vani dies. Why?
Because I always die. Engage. I murdered the person. I'm the first
Say
one
that
to be
again.
killed.
Say that again.
So you and Vani, you guys go out on a brunch date and you're very thirsty and
I
you've had
didn't
5
know
glasses
that.
of the same drink that Vani has. Like by the time Vani finishes first, you have already finished 5 drinks.
So I have it first or Vani has it first?
Because I
No,
drank
together.
first.
Suppose 5 मिनट में तुमने 5 पी लिया, 5 मिनट में उसने 1 पिया है,
अच्छा।
ठीक है? अब दोनों के ड्रिंक में पॉइजन था, बट सिर्फ वानी मर गई, तुम नहीं मरी, जबकि तुमने 5 ग्लासेस पिया, क्यों?
Poison quantity must be very little.
नो सेम। वाह, ये तो अभी फॉरेंसिक में चली गई है। थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाइए तो उसमें आ जाएगा, इसमें।
Wait.
I should say आपको पता नहीं।
आपको
And-
नहीं पता.
आपको नहीं पता, and then I will.
Of the same drink
Same thing.
that I was having, we both had poison in our drink. I died and you didn't.
क्यों ऐसा
After
क्यों
having 1 glass,
After
although
having
you
one
had 5 glasses in your mouth.
हुआ? कैसे हुआ
Great
ये?
immunity. I don't know. Just
चमत्कार,
miracle. वरदान प्राप्त हुआ है.
वरदान प्राप्त हुआ
वरदान
है।
प्राप्ति सही में.
वरदान प्राप्त था.
ये
Was I going and peeing again and again after every few?
She
But
threw
even
up.
if you pee, you will not pee the poison out. No, what are you saying?
I was going to say throw up. But she threw up. She threw up. No? Well, that can release the poison out of your
No,
body.
but she wouldn't know na that it's poison till you die.
Oh, see, now that's a little piece of information you skipped telling us.
हाँ, तो of course you will not drink if you know it's poison. बताइए,
ड्रिंक कौन सी है?
drink कुछ भी हो, drink
अरे यार.
whichever your favorite
Because
drink
I finished my drink faster than her.
No, so
is. You were finishing slower, no? She finished it fast.
finished
Drink
all
calm.
5
Even
My
Why?
last glass had the
Poison.
poison. So which is why.
All the glasses had it.
But little, divided. Like Vani's amount was divided
No.
little.
No.
No.
You think of it, you will understand. किस चीज में poison हो सकती है? ये भी बोल दिया, चलो।
किस चीज में poison हो सकती है? किसी भी drink में poison हो सकती है.
हाँ, कि वानी ने पिया और वानी मर गई 1 और आपने 5 पी लिया उस टाइम पे और आप नहीं मरी, तो
क्यों नहीं?
you have googled ना?
क्यों मतलब?
It's easy. This is easy.
This is also easy.
This is very easy.
Oh damn.
I think it's day end now, which is why
But
our
the
brains
drink
are
was the same, no?
Yeah, that's what.
So मैं भी पूछता
जी-
तो नहीं दे पाना.
थोड़ा और सोचो ना, ड्रिंक में क्या क्या होता है।
कौन से टाइप की ड्रिंक? अल्कोहलिक या नॉन अल्कोहलिक?
नॉन अल्कोहलिक में भी होता है, अल्कोहलिक में भी होता है, तो अभी बता दो कौन सा।
टेम्परेचर क्या था जब
That could be a little.
यूरोप में पी रही थी या
Suppose I was having, we were all having water,
हाँ.
and our water
Wine.
had poison. It doesn't matter. I think there
One eternity later.
Yeah,
it's
doesn't
inconsequential.
matter.
Yeah,
No, when
that,
we're having
there's no
wine.
consequence.
वाइन ठीक है, वाइन पकड़ लो, वाटर पकड़ लो, कुछ भी पकड़ लो।
You were saying something. You said something, and then
I said that he said temperature of the water could be different.
नहीं,
That
उससे
could
पहले
be a
you said
hint.
something, and wait, you
अच्छा,
said
hint?
something.
मैंने
Yeah.
बोला कि
Said-
क्या होता है ड्रिंक में?
और
और क्या होता है?
होता है ड्रिंक में?
Ice.
Ice.
आइस स्पाइस.
What about ice?
So ice is the ice.
Ice had poison in it. It was poisonous ice and she didn't have ice in her drink.
Ice.
No, she still had ice in it.
I had the ice. I left the ice. And Vani had the ice.
Listen, I'm going to give it to her give it to both of you because I clearly understood that nobody will get it. Basically, ice had the poison.
That's what I said.
But you were, the point is, why did you die? Because you were drinking it slowly. The ice melted in your drink, and in her case, the ice couldn't melt. She drank all the 5 drinks quickly.
But they should have been mentioned that both your beverages have ice
have
in
ice
it.
in it, na?
Oh, बोल दियो, the drink मतलब वही होगा ना,
नहीं,
ठंडा
drink क्यों
drink.
भाई?
Normal
इससे क्या
सादा
गला
पानी
खराब
भी
हो
हो
सकता
सकता
है,
है,
उसको जुकाम हो सकता है,
समाहा हो सकता
खांसी
है,
हो सकती
herbal
है।
tea हो सकती है,
God.
matcha
सही
coffee
में।
हो सकती है.
After Mandla Mothers, we'll sit and we'll decode the whole thing.
Done now?
Yeah, because I realized that
This was more hectic than this.
और इससे शुरू ही होना चाहिए था
I feel like a failed detective. Thanks, Nayan, for
but
boosting my.
you are going to be an amazing detective in
I'm dying in shame now. Give me that drink, guys. I need that poison in my system. I'd rather die of the drink than embarrassment.
बट जाते जाते जस्ट एक ही सवाल पूछूंगा कि
Drink
कितने
कैसा
बार
था?
उन्होंने आपने उनको इतने बार उनकी टांग खींच ली, तो अब उनकी भी बारी आती है. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स हैज ही टेल्ड यू आपको नहीं पता, आपको पता नहीं? To you, did he say? You don't know this?
Nothing,
It is
that's all
a
good lucks.
huge thing, by the way. It's a phrase from Good Luck, because he says this and then he
आपको नहीं
goes
पता
on to
कुछ?
explain the whole thing. Did you say that to him?
आपको नहीं पता ड्रिंक में क्या था
नहीं था. अब बताओ. आप बताइए.
मुझे भी नहीं पता था क्या
But thank you so much
Thank you so
for
much.
doing this. And I hope Gopi listens to me now, because I want a Mardani kind of a universe, maybe with all of you. Why not? You know, why not have a mystical Mardani? Eventually, it's about murders. You never know. Could be Mardani 4 maybe. And thank you so
I'm
much for
looking forward to
doing
Mardani
this, and
3
all the
also.
best.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you,
so
Then.
much.
Yay.